Yeah, let's come back. Uh, in the last class, we were discussing about linear equations in two variables. So here, in the last class, we discussed what is a linear equation. Equation in which the degree of the variable is 1 is called a linear equation. Now, when it comes to linear equation, you have linear equation in one variable and you have a linear equation in two variables. So the chapter what we have discussed started as linear equation in two variables. Let's say your x and y are two variables, then a general linear equation in two variable will be of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now in the last class we also discussed ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represents a straight line. It represents a straight line. Now, based on that straight line, I've explained to you the conditions, what you can see on your board. That is, the lines represented by a pair of linear equations in two variables. Something like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. These two are representing linear equations. They're also called as the straight lines. Now, the straight line, these two equations. Now, what do you mean by solutions? Solutions means finding the values of the variables x and y which satisfies those particular equations. So, solving solutions means those two equations might have a unique solution. It might have infinitely many solutions, or it might have no solutions. So in the last class, I've also explained you the conditions. The condition what you can see on the board. I've related this two equations with the straight lines, and we also understood how this conditions have come up. How you can derive this condition when two straight lines are given. We were saying that if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the system of these equations will have unique solutions. Means there are two lines, something like, they have been given two line equations. Those two line equations are representing two straight lines. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, means that totally represents two different lines. And we know that when two different lines intersects, they intersects only at one point. That's the reason why it will have one point of intersection. It will have one point of intersection, means one solution. It means we will have unique solutions. So that's how we have related these concepts with your linear equations, that is with straight lines, and that's how we derive the condition, something like if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then these equations will have unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, then these equations will have what do you call infinitely many solutions. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, infinitely many solutions. Now, when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2, then they will have no solution. Means those two lines represents parallel lines, and we know that those parallel lines will never intersect. If they never intersect, they will not have any point of intersection. That's the reason why we say that the system of equations have no solutions. So these are the conditions we have learned. So what I suggest, what we do is, based on these conditions, let's solve some questions on this. I'm sure, moreover, everyone is clear with the conditions.